Do you know how to make a bow? Well, if you don't know yet, I'll show you today. I'm Aissa, so let's start this video. So I'll do it off a tablet because I don't really know how to do it that well. And so let's start. So first, we have a piece of paper and we get it and we turn it onto the other side like this. Like that. Do you want the finger out? And now you're going to fold it the other way. Just like that. And now you're going to make sure it's folded. And now we're going to open it. And just check. There you go. And now it looks like this. Get it and put it there. Just like that. And now do that onto the other side the same. And now you spin it and you get a little piece from that and make it up to there. And now fold it. And now get the other side. And now get these parts and then fold them. And now get it a little bit more. Just one more part. Just like that. Like that. And now get the other part and put it there too. You need to make it so it looks like this. Let me just check where we are. Here you go. Just fold it. Just make sure that onto the other parts are all folded. And now you open it and turn it. Just like that. It looks like that now. Do you know how to make it? Well, if it is, then like. And now you're going to point it like that and get one of the parts and put it there. Just make sure it's folded. It looks like that. And now you're just going to fold a little bit more until you make sure it's folded. And now turn it and put it onto the other part just the same. It looks like this. Just a little bit more. And now open it again and then turn it. Make sure it's all like that. Here you go. It looks like this. Well, now you're going to get it. You need to point it and open these two. And you can see now it's into a bow. Isn't it cool? When it makes itself into a bow. And now you can fold it. Just like that. And now it looks like a bow, like a normal bow. And then you can put it in the water. But I can't really because I don't have any water here. But what I'm gonna do, I am gonna color it. So come on, let's get some colors. Let's color it rainbow. Let's get red. Where's the red? Oh, red. Here you go. Get it. Not that side. And then get the other side and then just color it red, orange, 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 here you go. Color it. Until it's all colored how you want, because art can't you or maybe you can copy me. There you go. And now put a purple in the middle. And then I'll just try after to put in the water. I forgot because I did not even have any water. But if you have water at home, then you can put this in water and then try it. Just get another one. Just not one that works. It's a really light yellow. Look, it's that one. So let's color it. On. It looks like a yellow highlighter, doesn't it? There you go. Maybe you can just put the starting of your name here. Mine is up. And it looks like this. And here you can maybe put a love heart. Doesn't it look cute? Well, I think it is. And then you can put in the water and then it makes it a color. You can get now a green because you have not even used the green now. So let's get it. Open it and write your name. Perfect. Now just get some purple or bluish and then color it inside. And now some fruit pink. And now it looks like this. Let me just show you. I'm just gonna show you. It looks like this. Is my name. And here is the other part that I've done. Don't you like it? Well, now I'm going to put in the water. And you can put in the water now. Bye-bye, friends. I hope you've enjoyed this video.